Hi everyone, I'm Shay. I've been working online for 7 years. I've started online teaching since 2018 and then shift to freelancing through Upwork. Now I have my full-time client, US client, and I want to share to you how I discover Elevate. So I've started working Upwork since 2018 and I've been using Payoneer and also PayPal. But dahil maraming mga up and down sa freelancing, I've also used the direct transfer to my local bank account. And doon talaga makikita mo yung comparison between the conversion and then the turnaround time of transfer from Upwork to local bank account. So it takes me 6 years before I decided to use Wise. Unfortunately, just recently when I created Wise account, naka-freeze, naka-waitlist yung USD. As a matter of fact, I also transferred 25 USD because it's a requirement para makapag-open. And then I found out that my account is waitlisted. So, nakakalungkot, because there's a lot of good testimonial on Wise. We can use, or you can use or transfer US dollar through GBP or yung British pound, and if you use that, you will need a wire transfer account. So di ba alam naman natin sa Upwork, it costs $50 when you do wire transfer. So I've researched for other platform because this time I end up a project in Upwork and I just want to have or receive a better conversion. So I've researched and I found out Elevate. At first, I have a lot of questions. I've watched foreign bloggers kasi wala pa akong makitang any testimonial or Filipino testimonial on the use of Elevate. So this time I want to share my experience because it takes me less than a week. Kasama doon na yung research and then pag-sign up and pag-sign up and then pag-set up sa Upwork bago na transfer account. And so if you find this video is very helpful for you, I will be sharing my link or referral code, so you can see it in the description below. Let's get started. First, you really need to sign up the form with all the requirements that they needed. They also need the government issued ID, proof of residency like utilities and credit card statements, proof of working online like certificate of earnings in Upwork. And once you completed all the documents that are required, it takes 24 to 72 hours depending on the validation of the onboarding team. So make sure match yung documents mo versus dun sa bank account na i-declare mo. So kapag meron ka ng USD account from them, pwede mo na siyang i-link sa Upwork. So ang pag-link doon, I think gaya lang din siya ng Wise na kailangan mo mag-provide ng ACH details. So this includes the account number and then the routing number. So remember, yung routing number is always 9 digits. Sobrang bilis lang mag-set up. Kaya lang, since they need verification pa rin from Upwork end. It takes 3 days bago makapag-transfer ng fund from Upwork to Elevate. Sa experience ko, for the first time, Friday ako nakapag-set up and then nakapag-transfer agad ako ng Monday. You will be notified on your email ad once the fund is already available. Kapag gusto mo na siyang i-convert, kung ano talaga yung nasa market, yun yung marireceive mo. Less $1.5. Sa mga bago magkikreate ng USD account without any hidden charges at walang charge din, for example, sa Upwork, I recommend this platform. It's very useful for me and it might be also useful for you. I hope you learned something from me, and if you find this video helpful for you, consider to use my link, and also you can subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. God bless.